This selfie video isn't real, but it's going viral all over social media. And yes, you can create AI selfie videos with celebrities too. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, you only need to do one thing. Download Edimakor. I'll handle everything else. The official download link is in the description below. Step 2. Create AI celebrity selfie photos. Once you're inside the software, click AI image, then choose Image Generator. Select Reference Image and choose the Nano Banana Pro model. The image quality it produces is seriously impressive. Next, upload your photo. Copy the prompt from the description and paste it into the prompt box. You can customize the prompt based on your favorite movies or celebrities. Then, adjust the settings to your liking. When everything looks good, click Generate. Repeat the same steps to create all the images you need. Once you're happy with the results, let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Create AI celebrity selfie videos. Now click AI video, then choose AI Transition. This feature creates smooth transitions between two images. Select the Hiluo 02 model. Upload your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Next, copy the video prompt from the description and paste it here. Set the duration and resolution, then click Generate. Repeat these steps to create all your video clips. For seamless transitions, use the ending frame of your previous video as the starting frame for the next one, then import a new image as the ending frame. This creates a smooth, continuous flow. Once all clips are generated, drag them onto the timeline in order. Trim the static frames at the beginning and end of each clip to make the video playback smoother. And that's it. Your AI celebrity selfie video is complete. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. More AI tutorials are coming, so stay tuned.